Blueberry. Blueberry. Hi there, kids. I'm Blueberry, small, round, and deep blue. I'm tiny but packed with flavor and goodness. Let's spell blueberry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry. I'm delicious in pancakes, muffins, or just by themselves. I'm a burst of fun in every bite.
In a land of tasty trees, where dreams come true,